Shit, here we go again.
Okay, you had enough time. Forget what happened.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
I don't think you had enough time to process how to microwave this pudding.
No! No! No!
I think the pudding needs more time. Oh, it's done. Yay! Pudding! Woohoo! Boys. Wow. Yay! Pudding! Pudding! Wink. We have a fridge full of stuff. You can cool off in here.
Wait!
I need a sword! Hey, what are you doing in here? Hey, that's enough. Get out of my fridge. Why are we like this? There we go. Hey, how'd you enjoy your fridge time? Good? Do you feel cooled off?